The Siege of Vicksburg, a pivotal clash during the American Civil War, commenced on May 18, 1863. When Union forces led by Major General Ulysses S. Grant encircled the Confederate stronghold in Vicksburg, Mississippi. After futile attempts at storming the defenses, Grant opted for a siege to strangle the city into submission. The Confederate Army under Lieutenant General John Pemberton was outnumbered, and outgunned Union forces boasted superior numbers, approximately 77,000 to the Confederates' 33,000, and had more artillery. The tactical advantage of the Union lay in cutting off Vicksburg's supply lines and bombarding the city relentlessly, while Confederate attempts to break the siege failed due to poor communication and disjointed leadership. After enduring 47 days of isolation and bombardment, Pemberton surrendered on July 4, 1863. This defeat, coupled with the loss at the Battle of Gettysburg the previous day, marked a turning point in the war, favoring Union victory and splitting the Confederacy in two along the Mississippi River. The fall of Vicksburg was a devastating blow to the Confederacy, effectively severing its territories west of the Mississippi, and undermining its ability to sustain the war effort. Strategically, the Union's control of the Mississippi River bolstered its own supply lines and troop movements, while concurrently crippling Confederate logistics. The victory at Vicksburg, achieved through the effective use of siege tactics and superior Union resources, demonstrated the importance of both long-term planning and the ability to adapt to the rigors of protracted warfare. Grant's leadership during the siege was marked by determination and innovation, traits that would later define his command. As he rose to the position of General-in-Chief of all Union armies, the surrender of Vicksburg, alongside the triumph at Gettysburg, signified a turning of the tide in the American Civil War, reinforcing the Union's strategic momentum and paving the way for subsequent offensives that would eventually lead to the South's capitulation in 1865. The dual Union victories at Vicksburg and Gettysburg are now remembered as the beginning of the end for the Confederate States.